Moroccan Bastilla, the royal pie that captivated the world. YouTube documentary script, 12 to 15 minutes. Introduction, midnight to 1 o'clock. Have you ever tasted a dish that perfectly combines sweet and savory flavors in a single bite? Today, we're taking you on a delicious journey to the heart of Morocco to discover one of the country's most iconic culinary masterpieces, Moroccan Bastilla. Golden, crispy, and beautifully decorated with powdered sugar and cinnamon, Bastilla is much more than just a pie. It represents centuries of history, culture, hospitality, and extraordinary craftsmanship. In this video, you'll discover the fascinating story behind Bastilla, learn how it's prepared, explore its ingredients, and understand why it has become one of Morocco's most celebrated dishes worldwide. Let's begin. Chapter 1. What is Moroccan Bastilla? 1 to 230. Moroccan Bastilla, also known as Pastilla, is one of Morocco's most luxurious traditional dishes. Unlike ordinary pies, Bastilla offers an unforgettable contrast between crispy pastry, tender meat, aromatic spices, crunchy almonds, and a delicate sweet finish. It is traditionally served during weddings, family celebrations, religious holidays, and official ceremonies. Many Moroccans consider Bastilla a symbol of generosity and hospitality because preparing it requires time, patience, and exceptional cooking skills. Every slice reveals multiple layers of flavor that make this dish truly unforgettable. Chapter 2. The History of Bastilla, 230 to 4 o'clock. The origins of Bastilla date back several centuries. Historians believe that the recipe was influenced by Andalusian cuisine after Muslims and Jews migrated from Spain to Morocco. Over time, Moroccan chefs transformed the dish by adding local spices, almonds, saffron, cinnamon, and traditional cooking techniques. The city of Fez became especially famous for perfecting Bastilla, turning it into a royal delicacy served in palaces and among noble families. Today, Bastilla remains one of the finest examples of Morocco's rich culinary heritage. Chapter 3. Traditional ingredients, 4 to 5:30. Authentic Moroccan Bastilla is made using carefully selected ingredients, including thin Moroccan warka pastry chicken, or traditional pigeon onions, eggs, roasted almonds, butter, saffron, ginger, cinnamon black, pepper fresh, parsley, cilantro, powdered sugar. These ingredients work together to create a perfect harmony of flavors. The sweetness of almonds balances the savory meat, while Moroccan spices provide incredible depth and aroma. Chapter 4. How Bastilla is made, 5:30 to 7:30. Preparing Bastilla is considered an art. The chicken is slowly cooked with onions and aromatic spices until tender. The meat is then shredded into fine pieces. Next, eggs are cooked in the flavorful sauce, creating a rich filling. Meanwhile, almonds are roasted, ground, and mixed with cinnamon and sugar. Several layers of delicate pastry are brushed with butter before each filling is carefully arranged. The pie is folded into a beautiful round shape and baked until golden brown. Finally, it is decorated with powdered sugar and cinnamon in elegant Moroccan patterns. The result is a dish that looks as impressive as it tastes. Chapter 5. Different types of Bastilla, 7:30 to 9 o'clock. Although chicken Bastilla is the most popular version, Morocco offers several delicious variations. These include traditional pigeon Bastilla, chicken Bastilla, seafood Bastilla, beef Bastilla, vegetarian Bastilla. Each Moroccan region adds its own unique touch, making every version slightly different while preserving the authentic spirit of the dish. Chapter 6. Why Bastilla is so special, 9 to 10:30. Bastilla is more than food. It represents Moroccan hospitality. Families often prepare Bastilla together before important celebrations. The recipe is passed from one generation to another, preserving traditions that have survived for centuries. Preparing a perfect Bastilla is considered a sign of culinary excellence. Many Moroccan families proudly share their own secret techniques that make every Bastilla unique. Chapter 7. Nutritional value, 10:30 to 11:30. Bastilla provides several important nutrients. Chicken offers high-quality protein. Almonds provide healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Eggs contribute essential vitamins and minerals. Traditional Moroccan spices such as cinnamon, ginger, and saffron contain natural compounds that have been appreciated for generations. Because Bastilla is rich and satisfying, it is usually enjoyed during special occasions rather than everyday meals. Chapter 8. How Bastilla is served, 11:30 to 12:30. Traditionally, Bastilla is served warm as a main course. It is often accompanied by Moroccan mint tea and fresh salads. Many restaurants decorate the top with beautiful cinnamon designs, making each pie look like a work of art. Its elegant presentation is one of the reasons Bastilla impresses guests before they even take the first bite. Chapter 9. Fun Facts about Bastilla, 1230 to 1330. Here are a few interesting facts about Moroccan Bastilla. Traditional royal Bastillas were often made with pigeon instead of chicken. Some recipes require more than 20 layers of delicate pastry. Professional Moroccan chefs may spend several hours preparing a single Bastilla. Bastilla is considered one of the most photographed Moroccan dishes by international travelers. It frequently appears on lists of the world's most unique traditional foods. Final thoughts, 1330 to 1500 hours. Moroccan Bastilla is far more than a delicious meal. It is a celebration of Moroccan history, culture, family traditions, and extraordinary culinary craftsmanship. Whether you're discovering Moroccan cuisine for the first time, or you're already a fan of North African food, Bastilla is a dish everyone should experience at least once. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more documentaries about Moroccan cuisine, traditional recipes, and fascinating food stories from around the world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.